Box TV, War Professor, Week in Review. I'm gonna tell it to you. Aye. Week in review. It might accurate, it might not be true, but a week in review. Tell you some things you probably knew or never knew, but a week in review, you would have shocked when you hear some things people do. Week in review, Box TV week review. Yo man, I go talk some things we are going on the streets. Aidonia and Kranuim, the two of them are beef. Aidonia brother say Kranuim violate, so anyway him see the boy ma kick out him teeth with the cheap dub plate them Jacure can't bother. Him forget the sound man after him climb up the ladder. A man say a 9 build my abs, I want a dub plate. Jacure say go suck for your mother. Alright, a which female around the place? Shenseea say a pussy fatter than Romy's face. Hey, a them things she a study, cause 2 weeks pass and fear face the next to her body. But a weekend review. Some might it accurate, it might not be true, but a week in review. Box TV week review. If you want more, share, comment and like. Week in review. You don't know the thing go.